Hello everyone, guys. I'm currently in Amsterdam, and quite frankly, I don't know. Like, I'm in the middle of Amsterdam. I don't know what is happening, what happened in the last 48 hours. I have no idea, so please don't ask me. But nonetheless, there's a very important update I need to convey to you right now because trading doesn't stop. Our challenge from $1 million to $10 million does not stop. So that's why I just added 2 coins to the portfolio. I'm gonna give you an update on all the data and also on the Bitcoin and everything else. So very important, please always watch the videos from the beginning and until the end. It's gonna be a very fast one because we need to get on the road in the last 48 hours, guys. I don't know, those of you who live in Amsterdam, tell me like how, because if I were to live in Amsterdam, I'd become a bum probably in 6 months. It's impossible. Like, it's impossible, but it's fun. It's crazy fun. So anyway, first order of business, right here. The spot Bitcoin ETF inflow yesterday was $223 million. So pretty good, pretty good. We're still steady. There is some power in the market. Now, when it comes to what we actually have purchased, before we come back to the Bitcoin chart, before we talk about Bitcoin itself, which actually it is showing a very interesting pattern that we can discuss. However, first thing and the first order of business certainly is our challenge from 1 million to 10 million. And guys, nobody else is doing this. And I'm showing you the realist account, the realist procedure of getting from 1 million to 10. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and also there is a share button down below here on YouTube. If you feel like doing so and supporting the channel, the only way how you could really do it is by actually sharing the video on your social media, etc. Because everybody just blabbing their mouth and taking small fucking peasant trades while we are actually taking some serious fucking trades. So anyway, our update right now, so we're sitting at 1,120,000. So we started the challenge about 2 weeks ago when we were up 120,000. So that's good, but not as good as I had hoped. So anyway, certainly we are actually doing really well with the copy trading. So you remember that I actually copied my own accounts. And here there are 2 accounts. There is this account, which is called Kralow Trades. And then there is also Kralow High Risk, which in its existence, like 20 something days, made people $44,000 in our followers. Like, look at the results of our followers. Wow. Absolutely incredible. And guys, if you want to copy our trades automatically, then what you need to do is, there is a link down in the description of this video. You need to go to Copy Kralow Trades, right here, the website. Copy Kralow, I don't know if it's fucking focusing. There you go. CopyKralowTrades.com. And the important rule, you must have a Bybit account that you've set up using my link. And you can create a new one using your driver's license, whatever you feel already had a Bybit account. And then, very important, you need to actually click the buttons from this website right here. So these whitelist buttons, they will actually add you to the whitelist. And right now we opened up like a few hundred seats in both of them. So there are actually seats available right now. If you were not able to join previously, you should be able to join now. But it's first come, first serve because they fill up very fast. And then we need to ask Bybit to give us more seats. So there are some seats right now. So go jump on it immediately if that's what you were looking to do. And certainly when you're trading on Bybit in general, you're going to be getting incredible bonuses. In this instance, in the reward center, you'll get up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses. So now, about the challenge itself and what we are doing with derivatives and what we are doing with spot, because I mean, arguably 120,000 in 2 weeks, not too bad. But remember, we deployed only like 20% of the portfolio, so I'm going to be scaling up the risk. I'm going to be going up because we need to make more and more and more money. For now, we're just being very careful because it's very uncertain as to what Bitcoin wants to do. So when it comes to the actual portfolio, actually, we added 2 coins to it. These are the ones that I really wanted to mention. They have some very good potential. We are going very careful into them. And remember, this is the update of the portfolio. So basically, everything is staying more or less the same. However, the first one that we added was Arbitrum. So for just 1% of the portfolio, and our targets, you can see the targets. Let me show you the targets. So the targets are $5, like basically $9 and $24. So these are the targets for Arbitrum. I think that these are a bit more long-term, but for 1% of the spot portfolio, why not? And Arbitrum is quite a strong project. Now, this is number 1, and the second one is DIM, DYM. And this is what I actually put in. So here it is. So I actually put in 2% into it. And let's have a look at the targets on DIM. DIM is also a strong project, and there is a lot of accumulation. There is a lot of momentum on it. So it is also more of a swing trade. to actually diversify the portfolio and hopefully get to the target faster. So this is also a new token. So we bought it in this correction, and our target for now is 7.3, 8.2, and basically $11 and $15. So these are the targets, and we're pretty sure that they're gonna be hit quite quickly. And all of these, of course, are available on Bybit. So that's why if you're using my link, you're getting access to copy trading, to my trading community, which is down in the description of this video. There is a link, and also up to $30,000 initial deposit bonuses. And you also are getting access to basically all the tokens that we are going into as a part of our 1 million to 10 million trading challenge. So when it comes to our short trade on Bitcoin, remember, this short trade, it's no longer a trade to make money. It is more of a hedge for the entire, altcoin holding if we're gonna see kind of a big sell-off. For now, it is looking okay. So for now, this is what it looks like. My stop loss is in the same place, 70K basically, and my take profit as 55K. So if it stops us out, that's fine. So in that case, we'll lose like 30K. So we'll lose like 3%, 4%, that's fine. So we've already made 12, and this is how the hedge works. So that's the idea, basically, just to protect ourselves in case if we do want to see that dip. Because in terms of Bitcoin itself, so this brings me to the Bitcoin chart right now. It looks okay for now because it kind of is creating this squeeze. So I mean, very simple. The squeeze that we're actually squeezing up this very important level of 69,000, so 70K, and we've briefly actually touched 70K right here. And yeah, I mean, whenever we touch these levels, 69.5, 70K, there is big sell orders because there are big players, and whales taking profits, but it's all short term. So this selling pressure, its big question is, are we going to just break through it and then finally go to 75, retest 70, and then swing in this area and then go to finally to 80 to 85, or we're gonna actually have a bigger correction to liquidate more people. So for this reason, I'm still keeping this short, but if we go beyond 70,500, well, it's not gonna make very much sense to just stick to it, in my opinion. So therefore, guys, this is the quick update. I'm gonna again showing you every step, so later you don't tell me, Thomas, you didn't show me something, because again, I'm just in the middle of traveling, and not just traveling, Amsterdam traveling, which is just epic. And guys, be very careful with Amsterdam. But 2 places in the world, Amsterdam and Vegas. Whatever happens in Amsterdam or Vegas stays in Amsterdam and stays in Vegas. So for now, with Bitcoin, let's hope we can actually break above, because remember, even if I take a small short trade here and there, I'm actually more interested, even me personally, financially, in Bitcoin to keep pumping endlessly because of the amount of Bitcoin I hold. But us as smart traders, we need to diversify, and we need to play the game in a smart way and not in the retail way. Because when you go the retail way, you might get lucky a little bit, but for the most part, you will actually lose down the road. Always. It's just always the way it is. So, and here is the tutorial popping up on the screen, guys. Check it out if you want to learn how to trade Bitcoin and altcoins with proper risk and money management. Remember about the copy trading, bonuses on Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.